Yo, what's going on YouTube? A19 Development here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install a sound pack in Fivem. So what you want to do is go into your files, find your GTA, find your Grand Theft Auto file location. Once you're in here, times 64, audio, SFX. Now what you want to do is you want to get your sound pack. You want to make sure that you have them both in here. You want to grab both of your sound pack in your file and drag it over. Replace files in the destination. Continue. And there you go. That's how easy it is to just install a sound pack. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.